How are you, dears? Today I am here to talk about English language. How can you speak in English? The way I am speaking, maybe you are inspired by me that how I am speaking English. Today I am here to talk about just your level of English. How you can improve the language. How can you speak in English? I am here to give you some ideas and some proofs the way I got my fluency. First of all, speaking is that you think about when you are childhood. If you are Sindhi, if you are Balochi, if you are Punjabi or Pashto, have you ever got admission in centers or in school or in colleges and universities? What you did, how you learned your mother tongue language like Sindhi, Punjabi, Pashto, and Balochi? How you learned? The way I am giving the ideas or giving you reference to your mother tongues, what will I say? You have to focus on it. The way you have learned Sindhi, the way you have learned Urdu, as well as your Punjabi or other languages. The same way you can learn English. Without centers, without schools, without universities, you can learn English in a better way or in an easy way. What you will do, just listen English. On YouTube, on and other platforms you can listen English. Through listening your English will be good. The way in childhood you listen your father, your mother, your brothers, your relatives, a lot of neighbors, and your fellows, your friends, you acquired language, you adopt language. The human being have just one very well thing, they can adopt the language. So you are also human, you can also adopt this language. This is very easy. This is not too much hard that you cannot learn it and you cannot speak it. Just listen English daily basis, 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever you have time, whatever you have free time, you can listen just 1 hour. And also speak regular basis like 10 minutes, 15 minutes or 20 minutes with your friends, in front of the mirror, in front of the camera. The way I am speaking in front of camera, you can also do the same. According your level of English, you can speak very slow and very sluggish, but as per your passing days, you will be fluent and you will be improved, inshallah. And also another thing is that you have to learn words vocabulary. The more words you have, you can speak better way. Like a lot of words you know about them, like this is me, or this is the tree, this is the park. The way I am giving you words meaning and references about the park, about the this road path. So I know the meaning of them. I know the words, their meanings, their identity. That is why I can speak it good. But the way I am telling you, it is more sufficient, more beneficial for you. Learn a lot of words vocabulary and just listen English. Also read some articles and improve your English. If you like this video, so please tell me in comment box, and also give me the one like and one share with your friends to improve your English. And thank you so much for watching me. Allah Hafiz.